Teka lang. Bago ako mag-scroll, hayaan muna ako mag-flex at magkwento ng konti. By the way, my name is MJ Lopez. I'm a businessman and I've been doing business for more than 18 years, transforming the lives of people in the process. We have more than 37,000 uploads and generated over 800 million views. That is why right now, we are here in our studio. Not to mention, I'm driving a Porsche now. I have real estate, I have passive income, I have several corporations, and I'm earning a lot of money. Pero gaya ng marami guys, galing din ako sa hirap. Yung lola ko dating katulong, buti ngayon maganda tawag kasambahay. Yung mabait kong tatay, na gwapo, na malandi. Itinanan yung nanay ko at the age of 16, edi nabuntes, nabuo. So napalayas kami. So I want you to imagine, mahirap na, pinahirap pa. So napakahirap ng buhay namin before. At dumating sa point na nung 16 ako, na-scam kami, lumubog kami sa utang, and that's when I decided. A lot of people are like that. Nagde-decide lang tayo kapag